Hey my glam girls, welcome back to my channel. It's Chelsea and today I have on my robe. I have freshly awakened and we're about to do a spa treatment with the FOREO UFO 2 face mask treatment. So I cannot wait to show you the details of this particular product, share with you my thoughts on using it because I have used it before. So this is not a total first impressions, but I am still pretty new to this particular face mask device. And I just have some thoughts that I think you might be interested in. But before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend some time with me. Thank you guys for getting me to 5,000 subscribers. I'm so excited to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, for continuously supporting my channel with all of your likes and your comments, and just for being such beautiful people. I really do appreciate you guys. So let's get into this video. Okay, so you guys know I like to provide you with information. I like to give you all the details and all the facts. There's a lot here though. So I'm gonna try to get through a good amount of the details without boring you all too much, but I really just want you to know about the product. So I really wanna first of all thank the brand of FOREO for sending me this product. They reached out to me and said, hey, we have this new face mask that they wanted me to try out, get my thoughts on it, and then share it with you all if I did really enjoy it. First off, I want to say thank you to them for sending that to me. They also included and sent me 2 different types of masks, and I'll get into the different types of masks that they have. So I have the mask for Make My Day, and then I have the Call It a Night mask, which I've already used. So just to give you some quick details. When I say quick, guys, just bear with me. It's a lot, but I really feel like you should know this stuff. Okay, let's go. What makes this UFO 2 so special? Number one, it's a time saver. So typically, if the world was really open like we would like for it to be, I could go and get a spa treatment. I could go get a facial that might last about 20 minutes or longer. And if you know anything, facials are so amazing, but they can be quite costly, especially if it's a routine that you want to keep up with, once every couple of weeks or so. So they say that this particular UFO 2 is a time saver because instead of having to do a 20-minute facial, you get the same results in 90 minutes, which I think is, I'll share my thoughts. I will save those for later. Then it is a better absorption, so it instantly infuses serum into the deepest layer of the skin for superior results. Then we're going to rejuvenate the skin. It's going to lock in moisture while reducing the appearance of pores. It's going to have a pampering effect, so it's going to provide a soothing facial massage, and it's going to evenly distribute the mask ingredients. So it's going to do this across every area of the face. Unlike the unconventional sheet mask that you just put on your face and, hopefully you're pressing it along your face like you should, but it's not going to ensure that all the products are going to seep into the skin evenly. So this is going to be a complete mask treatment with hyperinfusion technology, and they're going to combine heating and cooling and T-sonic pulsations. Then it's going to involve thermotherapy mode, which is going to prep the skin and enhance the skin's absorption of the UFO power activated mask ingredients. We're going to have cryotherapy, which is going to refresh and instantly lift and firm the skin, shrinking the appearance of pores and puffiness. We have T-sonic pulsations, not vibrations, that are going to stimulate blood microcirculation and better absorption of products, which will all facilitate skin renewal. And one of the things that I think is really interesting is their full spectrum LED light therapy. So they have 8 different LED light therapies. That's all going to be contingent based on the mask that you use. And that's going to target photofacials. So these 8 different LED light therapies include purple LED, white LED, green LED, orange, blue, cyan, yellow, and red lights. But I read it and I was like, this is really interesting. Like, this really piques my interest, especially as a scientist. I'm like, yes, let's talk about the scientific facts. And they have 12 different types of mask packs. So this is a pack of masks. The Make My Day has a total of 7 in them, and the Call It a Night has a total of 7. Some of the other masks have 6, and so you can purchase the mask in packs. So this would be considered 1 pack with 7 masks, and they've got, obviously, the more packs you purchase, you save additional money. All of their masks are dermatologist tested, made in Korea, formulated with the highest quality plant and fruit extracts, and then formulated without parabens, phenyloxyethanol, silicones, disodium, EDTA, and mineral oils. Based on the type of mask that you have, it will also determine, of course, what it's going to do to the skin, what LED light you're going to experience, either the thermotherapy or the cryotherapy, so the heating or cooling effect. For the majority of these masks, they are suitable for all skin types, but there's a few that specifically target combination oily skin and also more mature skin. For the two masks that I have, the Call It a Day, which is the one I'm going to use today, this one is going to be formulated with key ingredients of hyaluronic acid, which I thoroughly enjoy and I encourage everyone to have in their skincare routine, plus red algae extract. This is going to hydrate the skin and energize it for a refreshed complexion and healthy glow. This one is suitable for all skin types and it's going to target dryness, dehydration, and environmental pollutants. And then the Call It a Night mask is going to have key ingredients of ginseng and olive oil, and this is so nice in the evening. Okay, so it's going to revitalize and nourish the skin by deeply nourishing and rejuvenating tired skin, leaving it very smooth. It's going to instantly infuse moisture into the skin, giving it the perfect amount of hydration. And then targeted areas are going to be fine lines and dryness, and this particular mask is also suitable for all skin types. Okay, so let's actually get into it because I just really want to get into it. Like I said, I've used it and it really is a whole spa treatment. So I'm not gonna lie, I saw this and I was like, FOREO, are you really going to make me feel like this mask is worth the cost? Because if you've ever, looked at these mask devices, they're not cheap. Guys, I'm here to tell you, I would purchase this myself with what I've experienced. So what you do is you have to download their app and it will sync to your device. It uses Bluetooth to sync to it. And another cool feature about it is that to save the battery, once you're done using it and you're out of, I want to say it's like 10 feet of distance between your app and the device, it kind of powers off or goes into like a saving mode so that you're not exhausting the battery of the UFO 2, which I think is great. You can also use a regular charger piece here to charge up the device should you need to recharge it. This particular device, I really like the packaging of it. So this is a nice smooth silicone. This is going to be your start button. So I don't know if you all can see it, but there's an indented area right here. That's where you're going to initially sync it with your app. So you download the app and it'll ask you to sync your device to the app. By holding them in close proximity, you'll press on the start button for about 5 seconds, it links. And so then after that, when you open up the app, you see your device there and there's a start button for you. So very simple to link the two together, doesn't take a lot. I'm going to click start and just for a little bit, not for the whole 90 seconds, but I want you to hear the actual spa experience because I think that is the most, for me, the most like entrancing part of this whole process and what makes it actually feel like a spa experience and not just me at home putting on a face mask and going to sleep. So prior to starting my treatment, this is how you prep the device for the treatment. There's this clear clip. We're going to take this off and now we have the device like so. You're going to open up one of your packs and you'll notice that you have a microfiber cloth, which is formulated to be very smooth, safe for the skin. And it is covered in the serum that you're going to use for your particular mask treatment. You'll place the cloth over your device like so, and there's like a little flap here that's going to go over the indented part of the device. Then you're going to take your clip, press it over the device so you can secure the cloth on your device. So like so, very easy to do. I'm going to go into my app here, press start. You'll notice that this next page will come up and you've got an icon for day mask and an icon for night mask right here. Hopefully you can see that. So since mine's already on day, I'm gonna press start because this is a day mask. To actually start the particular treatment, you have to scan the mask, which I think is pretty interesting. So I'm gonna scan the barcode on the day mask.
Secure the UFO activated mask to your device by clipping the attachment.
So just in case you're not sure what to do,
logo facing up.
tells you what to do.
Use a circular motion as you gently glide UFO across.
And then we start the treatment. So let's listen to the instructions.
Allow your mind and body to slowly awaken as the red LED and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this complex. Relax and enjoy a soothing facial massage as T-sonic pulsations infuse moisture into your skin for a radiant, healthy-looking complexion. As the warmth gradually decreases, the anti-pollution formula is locked into skin, while the green LED helps reveal a brighter, more even skin tone for an all-day glow. You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed. Your smart mask treatment is now complete. If you'd like, you can repeat the treatment. Otherwise, dispose of the UFO activated mask and rinse your device under running water.
Y'all. I don't even have words how good my skin feels, how relaxed I feel. So listening to the person talk, the music behind it, you really feel like you're in a spa. I close my eyes because typically when I get a facial, I'm laying there, my eyes are closed, the room is dark. You know, I feel very relaxed. And that is what I love about this. I did not expect to have that type of experience while using the device, because I just figured, okay, I'm gonna put this on here, rub it on my face and call it a day. And I am not one to always do a mask. Real quick, after I finish the treatment, the serum that is kind of still on my skin, I just press it into my skin. So I don't really do a lot of mask treatments and things like that, honestly, because I just get lazy. And after I do my skincare, I just want to get into bed in the evening. But something like this, I can take 90 seconds, do this, and feel like I really got a spa experience. I like the glow that is left on my face. The one for the evening is so soothing. And I actually love to use oils at night. So the fact that this particular mask treatment has olive oil in it, I really do like that. When I use that, my skin feels nice and vibrant. It looks very healthy. It looks very calm. And it just, for me, it's the overall experience of a mask. I am thoroughly impressed by this. So like I said, this is more of like not a true first impressions, but I have not been using these masks too long. So I definitely will be doing a follow-up video letting you all know how I feel my skin has changed or improved from using this device regularly. I definitely want to work through all of the masks so that I can give you more of a before and after. You know, these are the improvements that I've seen, and really provide you with the information that you need to decide if this is a purchase that you want to make, because I don't take this type of purchase lightly. It is expensive. You know, if I had to pay for this, I would definitely want to know, like, is this truly worth all of my coins? So that's what I do want to provide you with. So I will be following up, doing a follow-up video after I've used this for probably a month. So I've already started using it. So my follow-up video may not take a full month because I've already been using it, but I definitely will be doing a follow-up video telling you all of the results that I've seen from this. But just from looking at my skin now, I feel like my skin looks nice and radiant. Like I said, it was so soothing. So let me tell you about the experience a little bit. It was so soothing to feel the pulsations. Of course, you don't feel any difference with the red LED light and the green LED light. You don't feel that, but you do feel a heating sensation. And I like that the experience of the heat actually gradually increases. So it never gets to a point of being completely too hot. It just feels nice and warm on the skin, nothing too hot or aggressive. And then with the cooling portion, it's very comfortable and it's very spa-like. So I really do like the technology behind the device and also the ingredients that they've incorporated into these various masks, because then you can really personalize it as if you were going to a spa and you said, hey, I want to do a facial that's going to target my fine lines and wrinkles, my eyes, my skin's, glow, and so on and so on. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this review. I will be sharing a link down below if you are interested in purchasing this. They do have a couple of specials going on their website, so take a look at that. They're definitely wanting to encourage people to stay at home, so you can stay at home and still get that beautiful 20-minute spa-like facial without having to leave your home, especially in these crazy times like so. So yeah, that is it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Leave all comments down below if there are any questions that you still do have regarding the device and the mask that I did use. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in my very next video. Bye guys.